Good morning, dear student. How are you all? You all are fine? Okay. So, dear student, welcome to the Maths online class. This is Shui Singh, your Maths teacher. So, one information is there for you, student, ki on this coming Friday, you have to submit your maths copy. Okay, not maths, math and science both copy you have to submit. Tell to your parents to come to the office and keep your copies there. And on Saturday we will come and check your copies. Okay, and after that we will drop the message to collect your copies. So up to problem set 8A I have already discussed and we all have completed. Okay, so up to that you have to be completed. Okay, now today we are going to discuss about problem set 8B. Problem set 8B. Okay, so check out your copies and do the question. Now student, also take out your book. It is given on page number 120. So take out page 120. Now see here, it is written question number 1. Sunila finds the total, Sunila it's Sunita, okay. Find the total total using this method, okay. Now rupees 2.34 it is written. ये Sunila का method है and you have to use this method and then you have to solve the question. So see the method. I am solving question number A by using Sunila methods. Method to find each total you have to find. So one I am solving. See, rupees 2.16 plus rupees 4.32. Okay, now directly also you can solve here. You can add directly if you want. Okay, आप इसको directly भी कर सकते हैं, but if it is there given use Sunila's method, then you have to solve like this. Now see, 2.16 can be written as rupees 2 plus 16 पैसे, 2 rupees plus 16 पैसे, इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. ओके, here it is written what? 2 rupees dot 16 पैसे. So इसको हम लोग इस मेथड से लिख सकते हैं, rupees 2 plus 16 पैसे. ओके, now next is this rupees plus, sorry not plus here, rupees 4 plus 3 2 पैसे. This can be written like this. Okay, we can write this one like this, है ना? This can be written like this and this can be written like this. Okay, next this plus this can be written as is equals to rupees, this one rupees को अब हम लोग टोटल करते हैं तो 2 plus 4. ओके, ना प्लस मैंने यहाँ पे रुपीस को एक साथ प्लस कर दिया, प्लस अब इस पैसे को एक साथ कर दे रही हूँ, 16 plus 32 पैसे. ओके, दिस कैन बी रिटन लाइक दिस, है ना? See here student, मैंने ऐसे लिखा. ओके, नाउ दीज आर पैसे. सो मैंने पैसे को इन दोनों को प्लस करा. ओके, सो दिस कैन बी रिटन लाइक दिस. नाउ सी, रुपीज 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 16 plus 32. अब 16 plus 32 को हम प्लस करते हैं. 8 4 it is 48 पैसे. ओके, it what comes rupees 6 plus 48 पैसे. Okay, and this can be written, this can be written as is equals to 6.48 paise. This is your answer. Okay, this is your answer, and this method is Sunila's method. Okay, and directly अगर आप इसको करते हैं तो 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 4 3 4 dot 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, and rupees will be like rupees. So rupees 6.48 paise. Okay, so write down this method in your copy. Okay, I'm giving you the time. Done everyone? Okay, now come to the question number 2. This is question number 1. It is question number 1. Now come to question number 2. Now in this some more questions are there that you have to do by your own using this method only. Okay, आपको इसी method को use करके you have to complete in your copies. Now question number 2, use Namita's method. Use Namita's method to find each total. Okay, each total you have to find. Now see, Namita's method is also like that, same. Now see here, question number 1, A, rupees 0.32, rupees 1.72 plus. Okay, this is the question A from question number 2. Okay, now see here, rupees 0.32 paise. Okay, it is only 32 paise. Okay student, it is only 32 paise. So this can be written as rupees 0 plus 32 paise. This can be written like this. Yes. Now see here, this 1.72, okay, paise. So this can be written as rupees 1 plus 72 paise. This also can be written like this. Now see here, the it's equals to this plus this. Rupees को मैंने plus किया तो it comes 1 plus इन दोनों को मैंने plus किया 4 10 paise, means 104 paise. Now कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं 1 रुपीज प्लस 4 पैसे, like this can be written like this. Okay, so is equals to rupees 1 plus rupees 1 plus 0.4 paise. This can be written. Now is equals to rupees 2 plus 0.4 paise. Now is equals to 2 plus, sorry, not plus, 2.04 paise. This is the answer. Or like this also you can do. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 7 is 10. So 10 आया. Here it is dot. Okay, here it is dot. But 1 हम यहाँ नहीं लिखेंगे. ये dot है बीच में. Okay, तो dot को हम dot ही लिखेंगे. और 1 जो यहाँ से है वो यहाँ आ जाएगा, कैरी हो जाएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये डॉट है. ओके, ये डॉट ये यहाँ आएगा एंड 1 plus 1 is 2 and it becomes rupees 2.04 paise. Okay, so this is the second method. Do it. Okay student, now come to the next question, question number 3. Okay, now question number 2, some more questions are there that all you have to do by your own. Okay, now come to question number 3. Now see, add the following, use any method of your choice to solve the following sum. आप कोई भी मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं, नमिताज और सॉरी सुनीलाज मेथड, बट द इजिएस्ट मेथड आई एम डूइंग ऑन द बोर्ड. यू सी, add the following, add the following. Now see here, A, rupees 39.00 and rupees 70.00. This is the question, so you have to solve like this. Rupees 39.00 plus rupees 70.00. Okay, so you do the plus here, 0 and 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. पॉइंट जहाँ है आपको पॉइंट वहीं पे रखना है. ओके, डॉट को आपको वहीं पे डॉट करना है. 9 plus 0 is 9, 3 plus 7 is 10 and rupees will be like rupees. Okay, rupees 109. Okay, its answer is rupees 109. Okay, now see, now rest you will do. Okay, this is A. Now question number 4, A I am solving. add the following. Okay, now question is rupees 24.35 plus rupees 9.00 plus rupees 78.85. Okay, so this can be written like this: rupees 24.35, again rupees 9.00. See, 9 is in which place? 1. तो यहाँ पे जहाँ पे 9 को डॉट के बगल में है, तो डॉट के बगल में ही आपको राइट डाउन करनी है. यहाँ 9 आप राइट डाउन नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओके, डॉट के बाद 9 जहाँ पे है आपको उसी प्लेस पे रखना है 9 को. देन प्लस रुपीज 7 is here and 8 is here. Dot 85. Okay, this is the question. Do question number 3, and now I am solving question number 4. Do it fast. Question number 3. Now see here, 5 plus 5 is 0, 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 I have written here, 1 carry. Okay, can you see? 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, तो 10 का मैं 0 यहाँ राइट डाउन कर रही हूँ और 1 जो है वो कैरी होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 8, 4 plus 8, how much? 10, 11, 11, 12, yes, it's 12. So 2 I am writing here and यहाँ पे आपका डॉट है, ठीक है, तो डॉट को आप डॉट पे ही रखेंगे और 1 जो है 12 का जो 1 है वो मैं यहाँ पे ला सकती हूँ, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये डॉट तो है बीच में, डॉट को तो डॉट ही रखना है, बट जहाँ पे आपका कैरी होगा उसको आप अप ले जाओगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो मैंने 1 यहाँ रखा, फिर 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus 8 is how much? 22. Okay, 22 का 2 मैंने लिखा and again 2 carry. Now 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7 is 11. Okay, rupees 112.20 पैसे. Now do it question number 3 and question number 4. Okay, done. So student, please complete your exercises on time, okay, and do it in your copies and as well in your book. If space is given in your book, then now in coming Friday you have to submit your copies of maths and science both. And one more thing, now on coming Thursday we will have an interaction class, okay, and in that you have to download the Google Meet in your mobile. Okay, tell to your parents to please download Google Meet and we will share the link, and after that we will have an interaction classes and I will ask some questions from you and also we will interact with each other. So please on the same timing, okay. 10 o'clock को हमारी मैथ्स की क्लास होती है, तो मैं मैथ्स के क्लास में मैं आऊँगी 10 o'clock को, एंड ऑनलाइन मीन्स वी विल इंटरैक्ट टू ईच अदर. If you have any questions related to maths, you can ask. If you are having any problems, you can ask to me, okay. related to maths and science both. Okay students, so please download Google Meet in your mobile phone. Okay, now again I will see you in the next class student. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing and keep connected. Bye.